Tilapia, found freshwater farms, rivers, and lakes in USA. Benefits: lean protein source, low calorie, easy to cook. Nutrients: protein, selenium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, potassium. Catfish, found in rivers, ponds, and farms in southern USA. Benefits: low in calories, supports heart and bone health. Nutrients: protein, vitamin D, phosphorus, selenium, omega-3. Cod, found North Atlantic, New England, and Alaska waters. Benefits: supports heart, brain, and immune system. Nutrients: protein, vitamin B12, iodine, selenium, phosphorus. Mahi Mahi, dolphin fish, found Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic, Caribbean. Benefits: high protein, boosts metabolism, supports heart health. Nutrients: protein, vitamin B12, selenium, potassium, niacin. Halibut, found North Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, Alaska. Benefits: improves brain and heart function, anti-inflammatory. Nutrients: omega-3, vitamin D, B12, selenium, phosphorus.